moment generating function. Before that, what is moment? There are two types of moments are available. Here I have given only one definition. It is earth moment about the origin. Earth moment about the origin. Another type is also available. That is earth moment about mean, about the number mean. So that is I have not discussed now. Earth moment about the origin definition is notation is mu r dash. Mu r dash is the notation. So earth moment about the mean notation is mu r. It is not, we are not going to discuss mu r. Mu r dash only we are going to discuss. So mu r dash is nothing but expectation of x power r. Expectation of x we have seen, expectation of x square we have seen. Now it is x power r expectation. How to find expectation of x power r? Sigma x power r p of x for discrete type. Integral x power r f of x in the case of continuous type. For discrete type, you take summation. For continuous type, you take integration. Mu r dash. If r equal to 1, mu 1 dash. If you are putting r equal to 1, if you put r equal to 1, then mu 1 dash. Mu 1 dash is equal to e of x. Here you put r equal to 1. Then e of x. E of x is nothing but your mean. So mean equal to e of x or mu 1 dash. Mean equal to e of x or mu 1 dash. Previously, in the previous problem, we use e of x notation. Now we can also use mu 1 dash. What is mu 2 dash? In the x power r formula, if you put r equal to 2, then e of x power r, x power 2. E of x power 2 is mu 2 dash. E of x square. E of x square is mu 2 dash. So E of x square equal to E of x square is equal to mu 2 dash. If it is power r, mu r dash. So mu 2 dash is nothing but our previous E of x square. So variance formula, we can write this also, mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash. Now, these moments we can find with the help of expectation of e power r, x power r. Expectation of x power r, that will give mu r dash. If you want to find out mu 1 dash, e of x, you go to do one calculation. Mu 2 dash, you are going to do another calculation. If it is, will it possible to find expectation of x power r directly? So mu r dash, can I do it immediately without doing r equal to 1k separately, r equal to 2k separately, like that? So that is, we are going to discuss moment generating function. It generates moments. Moment generating function is our next definition. The moment generating function, we call it as MGF. About origin, moment generating function about the mean is also available, but we discuss only about the origin. Of the random variable capital X is defined as mx of t notation. M for moment, x for random variable. Which random variable? And of t, it is a function of t. Your answer will be in terms of t. Moment generating answer will be in terms of t. What is the definition for moment generating t? It is expectation of e power tx. Expectation of x square x power r we have seen previously. It is expectation of e power tx. Just multiply e power tx into f of p of x, then take summation. So for finding e power expectation of e power tx, discrete type, take summation e power tx into p of x. E power tx into f of x, and that is for continuous random variable. So for moment generating function, you are going to find out moment generating function. For discrete type, you use the formula sigma e power tx p of x. For continuous type, e power tx f of x integration. So you have obtained a moment generating function. Your moment generating function will be a function of t. Your answer will be in terms of t. From the moment generating function, how to find the moments? mu1, mu2 dash, mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu r dash, how can we get? That is the main important concept. Let us note. Moment generating function definition is expression of e power tx. So e power x formula everybody knows. E power x expansion is 1 plus x square by 2 factorial, x cube by 3 factorial plus etc. So if you want e power tx expansion is 1 plus tx plus t square x square by t square x square by 2 factorial. Actually, this is a small x. This is small x. 1 plus, oh sorry, this is capital X. Remaining things are capital X. Next line, it will be updated. So these things are capital X. This is capital X, this is capital X, x square, etc. So now you take apply the properties of expectation, e of 1, e of second term, e of third term, like that. We can take t square, t cube outside. Then this is nothing but your mu1 dash formula. This is mu2 dash. This is mu r dash. Just I rewrite the moment generating function in terms of an infinite series. I write the moment generating function as an infinite series. Now I want mu r dash. How to find mu r dash from mx of t? It is nothing but coefficient of t power r by r factorial. Just to see the previous line, mx of t is an expansion of infinite series. So mu r dash adjacent term, this is the coefficient. In the mx of t, you find out the coefficient of t power r by r factorial. That will give mu r dash. So mu r dash is very easy to identify. Sometimes finding t power r by r factorial may be difficult. If it is difficult, you can use the second formula. So it is equivalent to find out the coefficient of t power r by r factorial. You just differentiate mx of t n times, r times. If you differentiate one time, you may get mu1 dash. 2 times mu2 dash, like that. After differentiation, you put t equal to 0. So this is the concept of finding moments from the MGF, moment generating function. So we are going to find out moment generating function. Then we will get moments from or mean and variance from the given problem. Let us see this problem. A random variable capital X has the probability mass function p of x equal to 1 by 2 power x. 1 by 2 power x, where x equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. If it is given like this, 1 by 2 power x, if it is given 1, 2, etc. means it is a discrete type. It is a discrete type. For continuous type, how it will be given? 1 less than x less than 100, like that. If it is given in this interval format, then it is called continuous random variable. For discrete type, we have to take summation. For continuous type, we have to take integration. So this is a discrete random variable problem. Now we will find out MGF first. Then from the MGF, we will get how to find mean and variance. So f of x, sorry, p of x is given. Probability mass function is given 1 by 2 power x. For x equal to 1 means 1 by 2. For 2, 1 by 2 square. For 3, 1 by 2 cube, like that. I am going to find out MGF. Moment generating function definition. Notation mx of t. Expectation of e power tx. Expectation of e power tx. Discrete type formula. Sigma e power t small x into p of x. Into p of x. Your x values are 1 to infinity. Now replace your p of x. Sigma x equal to 1 to infinity e power tx into my p of x is 1 by 2 power x. I have to simplify this infinite series. How can I simplify? Sigma x equal to 1 to infinity. I can e power tx divided by 2 power x. I can combine e power t divided by 2 whole power x. I can rewrite like this. E power tx, there is a power x in the power x. 2 power x, there is a power x. So we can combine as a single term, e power t divided by 2 power x. Now let us put x equal to 1, 2, 3. What is the expansion? If I put x equal to 1, e power t divided by 2. Then number 2, e power t divided by 2 square, e power t divided by 2 whole cube plus etc. So this is a geometric series. Geometric series A, AR, AR square plus etc. First term A, if you multiply the first term by R, you get AR. Another R, if you multiply AR square, like that. So the summation formula is A by 1 minus R. Geometric series summation. This is also a geometric series. Anybody? Let me know whether what is your first term, what is your R. Are you listening? In this series, infinite series, anybody let me know what is your first term, what is your R term. First term means the term appeared first, e power t by 2. E power t by 2 is your A. This is your A. What is your R? So the first term multiplied by e power t by 2. Second term is obtained. Second term multiplied by e power t by 2. Third term is applied. So the R is also same. So in this case, A equal to R equal to e power t by 2. In this problem, first term is also e power t by 2. Common ratio R is also e power t by 2. Now you apply this formula for summing. I am going to use this formula. So moment generating function is equal to A by 1 minus R. So A value e power t by 2. 1 minus e power t by 2. If you simplify, you may get 2 minus e power t by 2. E power t divided by 2 divided by 2 minus e power t by 2. The by 2 we can cancel. We can cancel by 2 by 2. So your moment generating function is e power t divided by 2 minus e power t. So the main problem is over. Finding the moment generating function part is over. E power t divided by 2 minus e power t. What next? Mean and variance I want to find out. Your mean formula is mu1 dash. Variance formula is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash. Then how to find mu1 dash, mu2 dash from the moment generating function? I am going to use the differentiation formula, this formula. I am going to use this formula to find mu1 dash. For mu1 dash, you differentiate moment generating function one time, then substitute t equal to 0. So now let us find out mu1 dash, mu2 dash. E power t by 2 minus e power t. So moment generating function we have obtained e power t divided by 2 minus e power t. Up to this we go solved it. I am going to find out mu1 dash. Mean equal to mu1 dash equal to differentiation of mx of t, moment generating function. After differentiation, you put t equal to 0. If you want to find out mu1 dash, differentiate one time. Mu2 dash, differentiate 2 times. That's all. So let us differentiate moment generating function d by dt of e power t divided by 2 minus e power t. I am going to do the differentiation. After differentiation, you put t equal to 0. How to differentiate e power t divided by 2 minus e power t? U by v formula. Differentiation of u by v method. U by v formula is v square v into du by dx minus u into dv dx. This formula, all the differentiation integration formulas will come up frequently. Now let us apply u by v formula. First v square, 2 minus e power t square. First you put v square in the denominator. Then starting from v in the numerator, that is into numerator is 2 minus e power t into differentiate e power t. E power t differentiation is e power t. For e power t into different 2 minus e power t minus e power minus t. Differentiation is over. Let us simplify. 2 minus e power t into e power t minus into minus plus e power 2t. This minus, this one becomes plus. E power t into t is e power 2t. 2 minus e power t whole square. Now I am going to substitute t equal to 0. E power 0 value 1. E power 1. If you put 0, e power 0 is 1. So 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by minus 1. Whatever e power t, you replace it t equal to 0, e power 0, 0 value is 1. So if you simplify the numerator is 2 minus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Denominator is 2 minus 1, 1 square is 1. So your mean equal to mu1 dash. Mean equal to mu1 dash is equal to 2. Mu2 dash. Mu2 dash equal to differentiate. To find the variance, I need mu2 dash. Differentiate 2 times. differentiate 2 times the moment generating function. In the previous step, one differentiation is over. After one differentiation, we get this function. We can take this function for the next step. So instead of 2 differentiation, I can write one differentiation of this function. D by dt of one differentiation is completed. We can write as it is. 2 minus e power t into e power t plus e power 2t divided by 2 minus e power t whole square. I am going to differentiate this function one more time. Afterwards, I am going to put t equal to 0. One differentiation I got. Without doing once again, I take the answer from the previous step. So this answer is obtained from previous step. Otherwise, I got to do differentiation 2 times. Now we will proceed differentiation one more time. Then put t equal to 0. That will give the mu2 dash value. Once again, u by v formula. Once again, apply u by v formula. First denominator square. That is v square. That is into e power t minus e power 2t 2 into e power t minus e power 2t plus e power 2t divided by 2 minus e power t whole square. Just listen what we have done. Just I multiply e power t into first term. Then this term get cancelled. The e power 2t, e power minus 2t get cancelled. So our work is somewhat easy. Now I am going to apply u by v method. Denominator 2 minus e power t power 4. Already power 2, taking square power 4. Then 2 minus e power t square into differentiate numerator 2 into e power t. Then 2 into e power t differentiate the denominator 2 into 2 minus e power t power 1 into minus e power t. Done it carefully. Once again, I explain how I got this answer. First v square, denominator square. Then you start with v. Differentiate 2 into e power t. You may not find any difficulty. Minus u into 2 into e power t into differentiate 2 minus e power t square. First x square formula 2 into 2 minus e power t. Then function of a function rule 2 minus e power t differentiation is minus e power t. Now substitute t equal to 0. No need to simplify. You can put e power 0 as 1. Wherever e power 0, that can be replaced with 1. First, what is the denominator? 2 minus 1 power 4. E power 0. E power 0 value is 1. So 2 minus 1 power 4. Of course, the denominator is 1. Numerator. Numerator 2 minus 1 square 2 into 1 minus 2 to 1 2 minus 1 minus 1. Put the brackets carefully. E power 0 value 1. That I have substituted. Now simplify. The denominator is 1. 2 minus 1 power 4. 1 power 4. 1. Numerator. Numerator. 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So the first term is 2. This term is 2. Second term, this minus becomes a plus with this minus. So the second term is plus. Next, you are going to multiply 2 into 1 into 1. 2 into 2, 4 plus 4. I will explain once again. E power t equal to 0 if you substitute. Then denominator 2 minus e power 0 value 1. 2 minus 1 power 4. Wherever e power t, e power 0 value 1. So 2 minus 1 whole square, 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 into 2, 2 minus 1 minus 1. Now multiply. First term is 1 into 2, 2. Here 2, 2, 1, etc. 2 to 1 means 4. The minus into minus becomes plus. So your mu2 dash answer is 6. Find the variance. So variance for mu2 dash mu1 dash square. Mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. Mu2 dash is 6. Mu1 dash in the previous step we have obtained. Mu1 dash is 2. So 6 minus 2 square. 6 minus 4. So mu2 dash is also 2. Sorry, variance is also 2.